In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and customize a pricing table using Stripe. This process will allow you to efficiently display your products and subscription tiers, making it easier for your customers to understand what you offer and make purchase decisions. First things first, we need to organize your products and their corresponding prices within the Stripe dashboard. Begin by logging into your Stripe account and proceeding to the product catalog section, then select products. Once there, click on Add Product to start creating a new offering. You'll want to carefully define your product's name and provide a brief but compelling description along with an image that visually represents your product. After setting up your product details, you should add your pricing options. Stripe allows you to list both monthly and yearly pricing for a single product, providing flexibility for your customers. Ensure that you repeat this setup for each product or subscription tier that you plan to offer, keeping in mind that Stripe supports up to 4 products per pricing table. Now that your products and prices are laid out clearly, it's time to move on to constructing your embeddable pricing table. From the Stripe dashboard, head over to the pricing table section within the product catalog. Start the creation process by clicking on plus Create Pricing Table. Here, you'll have the opportunity to select which products and pricing options to feature. Remember, you can present up to 4 products per pricing interval, and it's possible to offer a free trial period if you wish. Next, it's time to focus on the visual and functional customization of your table. This step is crucial, as a well-designed pricing table can significantly influence customer engagement and conversion rates. Adjust the table's appearance to align with your brand by tweaking elements like colors, fonts, button styles, and even the language settings. You might also decide to spotlight a particular product, highlighting your most popular or recommended plan to guide customer choices. Once the appearance of your table is to your liking, configure the payment settings. Here you can tailor how much information you collect from your customers during the checkout process. Consider adding custom fields that allow you to gather important additional data from your clientele. Furthermore, set up a confirmation page that reassures customers after purchase or specify a URL where they can be redirected once their transaction is complete. This offers an excellent opportunity to thank them for their purchase and provide immediate access to their purchase or account. Finally, when everything is set up, click Continue to move through the remaining steps, which include setting up customer portal settings. And there you have it. By following these instructions, you should now have a fully functional and attractive pricing table ready to embed on your website, poised to enhance your customers' purchasing experience. Thank you for tuning into this guide, and I hope you found it helpful in setting up your Stripe pricing tables.